Open the doors. Open the door. You're the window door, Daddy. You're the window door.
I'm a what?
You're the window door.
What's that mean, Franny?
Means the window door gives you presents.
The what?
Window door gives you presents. Oh, we might look here. Like, can you be the window door to give us presents?
Okay, I can do that, I guess.
You give me bite, okay?
What do you want me to give you?
Bite.
A bite?
A bite.
A bike?
Uh-huh. And I want you to give me a toy elephant.
I think bikes are only for really good kids. Are you guys being really good?
Yes.
I think actually you are being really good.
I am.
Janie gets a bike when she learns to go potty on the potty.